Okay, we're inside the client's house right now in the basement. That's where most of the work will be happening. The client called us with a request to come out and take a look at the basement. He was thinking that he has a siding leak. The drywall was wet. There was mold. The baseboards were kind of coming off the walls, and the basement had the overall feeling of wetness, mildew, and the stench of this. The stench itself was unbearable. Upon coming here to the basement, we discovered that it was more of a foundation waterproofing problem. So when we came to the project location, we pretty much noticed something similar to this. The drywall being uneven, the baseboards coming off, the carpet was wet, and this problem pretty much was noticeable across following the perimeter of the foundation itself. So that gave us the idea that the foundation was improperly waterproofed, which caused most of the damage here, as you can see. A large amount of mold. This is right here. So why this happened is probably because over a long period of time the foundation had a leak, and we have a safe assumption to assume that when we open up the rest of the walls, we'll notice the same pattern as we see here. Okay, so the guys, the crew right now will be taking off all the drywall off the studs. Since mold is very unpredictable, it could be in spots or it could pretty much extend across the whole wall. We want to get the full idea of the how far the mold has spread. So the guys will be taking off all the drywall adjacent to the foundation. This includes this wall, that wall, pretty much everything besides the ceiling. We want to make sure we prevent mold expansion, and for that we definitely have to get the full picture of everything. The project is in its initial phase. Later down the road we'll be digging up this whole side, trenching it so we can install the proper waterproofing. We'll have 2 layers of it overlapping each other, one against the foundation and then one leading it away. Obviously the deck will have to go. The HVAC unit will have a licensed HVAC technician come out, take this off and then reinstall it. The client wanted a new deck anyway, so we can pretty much just a complete demolition of the deck, and we'll be trenching along this whole wall in stages to make sure that the foundation keeps its integrity. So we'll do the first half and then the second half, and pretty much move this whole project in stages.
Блять, упал.
Побольше уже тут давай. Мих, а ты если что, шланга подключена там?
Не.
А?
Не.
Подключи шлангу с водой, и чтоб она вот тут была.
Да я тряпку сниму.
Вот так, давай, делай.
Okay, so we've installed the R10 foam panels for the insulation. As you can see, the waterproofing membrane's already up behind it, and the R10 by code as required. And as you can see, the yellow lines over here, this we used expansion adhesive foam. It works better than the tape that usually is used for this kind, but we didn't see the sense in using a tape because as soon as some moisture gets in, it will come off the panels. The expansion foam kind of glues these panels together, making sure that literally no moisture gets through. Okay, and as you can see, the pipe, we've raised the issue about it before, that it was close to the foundation. We not only moved it further away from the foundation so we have enough room for the panels, the membrane, the waterproofing membrane, we also gave it the right pitch. So yeah, right now we're checking the levels to make sure that the pitch is accurate, as you can see by the bubble. Because we noticed that in some parts it was almost like leveled, so the water wasn't going down. We've pretty much redone the whole drainage correctly with the correct pitch. We already have some good news for the client. We've uncovered all the walls and found out that the damage from the mold isn't as extensive as we thought previously. So we'll definitely be lowering the cost since the scope of work decreased significantly. So that will help our client to save some money. Alright, here we're at the stage of the project. We're actually doing the interior paint final. All the patching drywall has been done. And right now he's painting the ceiling. As you can see, he's using a sprayer. This whole basement will have in total of 3 colors. Right now we're doing the first color, the ceiling. Then that back wall will be a different color, and then the trims as well. Well, actually the trims will be already painted, so here we're actually just using 2 colors. This one for the ceiling is called, Mike, what is it?
Greek Villa.
Greek Villa. And the second color that we'll be using is
Some sort of green.
well, something along those lines. But doesn't take long to actually paint this room, the ceiling. I think he's been working here already for 20 minutes, and most of the ceiling is already covered. He did this ceiling in about like 5 minutes. As you can see, the paint spreads out evenly. There's no drops, no smudges. So I definitely recommend. If you're doing it yourself, obviously you won't be buying a machine that costs $3,000–5,000. But if you have a contractor, definitely pick a contractor that has this machine that will show you that obviously he does a good job since he has the money to buy it. But also the layering of the paint will be spread out evenly. No smudges, no streaks. It will look. Well, I can't even say that will look like a new build house because I'm not sure how they do it in the poor quality. But as you can see by the ceiling here, there's no complaints for me. And if you're looking at the video and you're seeing some unevenness or anything like that, give it some time to dry out and the finished look will look much better, much more even, spread out. So yeah. It's much faster than being on a ladder, using brushes or a roller. Saves you time, the hassle, the stress, and then just take a look. How even it sprays the pressure of the output of the paint. Okay, the only drawback about using a machine like
Давай.
down, all the walls are painted, the trim's installed, all the touch-ups have been finished. We did a walkthrough with a client. He pointed out some spots that perhaps were missing some paint or some additional trim work. Got that all figured out. As you can see, carpet in here. We installed these two doors leading to the closet over here. We ordered them and gave it a great discount. Then laminate flooring over here. We've been through all the steps before. It's just kind of showing the final project. Then we have the bedroom in here.
Bedroom.
Yeah, bedroom, and then a closet right over there. And then the egress window, everything's by code. Yeah, just take a look around. This project, the basement remodeling took us 4 weeks. That's including electrical, plumbing, and the egress windows, paint, carpet, laminate flooring, some insulation in the walls since it's a basement. But yep, that's it. Follow us for more.